Hello everyone, I'm Utkarsh Jain and today I'm going to discuss the topic organizational communication structure. But before starting, we should know what is communication. Communication is simply the act of exchanging of information from one place, person, or a group to another. For a communication to happen, there should be at least one sender, one message, and one recipient. Now we come on a main topic organizational communication. What is organizational communication? We can define organizational communication as sending or receiving of information within an organization or a particular environment. We know what is organizational communication. Now we should see what are the types of organizational communication. There are basically four types of in organizational communication. First one, formal and informal communication. Second one, directional communication. Third, internal and external communication. And the fourth one, oral and written communication. Now we will see what is the flow of communication in an organization. In an organization, communication flows in five main directions: upward, downward, lateral, diagonal, and external. We can also see the pictorial representation of the flow of communication in an organization. Now we will study in detail about these flow of communications. The first one, downward flow of communication. As the name suggests, communication that flows from higher level to lower level in an organization is called downward communication. In other words, communication from superiors to subordinate in a chain of command is called downward communication. Now, upward communication or upward flow of communication. Communication that flows to a higher level in an organization is called upward communication. Upward communication can be providing of feedbacks or etc. Now the third one, lateral or horizontal communication. As the name suggests, lateral or horizontal communication is the communication that takes place at the same level of hierarchy within an organization. For example, communication between colleagues or managers that are the same level. Now, the fourth one is diagonal communication. Diagonal communication is communication that takes place between a manager and an employee of other work groups. Now, the last one is the external communication. External communication, as the name suggests, is the communication that takes place between an individual from one group to an individual of the other group. For example, the communication between a manager and an external group such as supplier, vendors, financial institutes, etc. Thank you everyone.